If you're gonna do breakfast, sometimes you need to spice things up a little bit. And this isn't spicy, but it is gonna be spiced up a little bit.
People say that? I've never heard anyone in the world say that.
I'm saying it.
Well,
that's why I said it. What's up, guys? Welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there's Nate. Right over there's Ethan.
Hello.
And these are not the droids you're looking for. Today, we're gonna do a fun one, guys. Taking breakfast to the next level. We're doing fritters, except I wish I could call them a different name. I hate that word.
Why is it well, you hate the word fritter?
Yeah, breakfast fritter.
What's wrong with a fritter?
I don't know.
You always do this. There's nothing wrong. Fritter's a wonderful word.
Look, when the bell rings, find something to sip on. In the meantime,
transform and roll out.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Now with every good breakfast, you gotta have bacon. Give me that thick bacon, dude. There's not the Blackstone, honestly, I think it's probably best known for making the best bacon.
Bacon making beast?
It's a bacon making beast.
Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make, bacon pancakes.
Now when this is done, let's get that off. You want nice and crispy.
Yeah,
and the reason
it looks nice and crispy, guys.
It's not too crispy.
It's
just the right amount of
10.2.
crispy. 10.2. Kiss your mother with that mouth. Now for some veggies, technically a fruit, but we won't get into that whole thing right here. I've got some red and green bell peppers.
Oh, you're going Christmas.
We are.
We're gonna Christmas?
Maybe. Point is, we want a small dice. The reason is because they're gonna be inside of these fritters.
It's that bad?
I just don't like them, dude. I like them. I just don't like the name. I've
never heard
not
anyone
a fun
as offended by a word
name.
other than moist.
That doesn't even offend me, really.
Really?
I'm all right with moist.
You don't mind moist?
I don't mind moist.
What about you?
I like it.
He would. You know, when I first saw you making a fritter a hot minute ago.
A what?
This is like the new F-bomb.
the fritter. That's good.
Thanks, sir.
Fritter.
Police coming straight from the underground.
I saw you, hey, guy, you want to help me here?
Sure.
You want to grab these?
What the?
Put them in there?
I'm not a fan of the assistant.
Who?
Thank you. Hey, it started with
So we
tomato.
got
Yes, it is. Assistant to the regional manager.
Same thing.
these green and red bell peppers. For me, I was thinking about actually doing like a breakfast hash, and that's actually how I came up with doing the fritter of such.
What was I doing?
Thank you, sir. What?
What was I doing? You said you saw me do something.
He wants to go back to the part where you were talking about him.
No, that's not.
We don't need to go there.
That's not what you meant.
Who cares about that?
Let's talk about eggs, baby. Let's talk about you and me.
Oh,
Whoa.
dude, I got it right, and then I dropped the whole half shell in there. One egg. One egg.
Oh, no.
One time.
Oh, you know what?
What?
You want to help me out again, buddy?
Really?
I've got a sausage hand. Ah, thanks, dude. Frozen tater tots. This is a nice hack.
Browns.
That's that too.
Man,
that's
this
what I
is
meant
a
to
great
say.
recipe. We're starting off solid.
Dude, get out of here.
You're almost burned the bacon. You can't say the F
Let me
word.
get that for you.
I could say the F word, but my mom watches this show, and I don't want to do that.
Excuse me, I'm Eric Lensher.
Charles Xavier.
Go
Fritter.
yourself.
Cut it out. Some shredded cheese, couple little hacks here. You know what? I'm gonna be pretty generous with the cheese. Now, a little bit of flour, because this is what's gonna hold this mamacita together. Flour and egg. I might have to, depending on how much flour I do here, we're gonna call that good for now.
I have to what?
I might have to add another egg if it's too dry, because what we are going for is not a pancake.
Okay.
We want
Some texture.
some texture, and it needs to be able to stick together,
Like a
not be
fritter.
running. Yes,
That's gonna be a fun episode.
it's gonna be something. So we're doing good here. I think we're
I've never seen all of these things mixed together. I'm really interested to see if it works.
I think we need another egg.
Okay.
Let's see if I can do this
Do you think the
left-handed.
potatoes on the inside are gonna be a bit mush?
Maybe. I've never made this. We'll see.
Hey, not to be that guy, but does the bacon go in here too?
Oh, yes, obviously.
I'm gonna go get that for you.
Hey, thanks, buddy. Left-handed! Left-handed!
Wow, one-handed, left-handed.
One-handed, left-handed.
More flour.
A little bit more flour.
Your assistant bringing the bacon.
Who?
Oh, you're a comedian.
I don't like it.
I love what's going on here.
Of course you do.
You know what?
All that bacon? It's a lot of bacon.
Dude, it's breakfast. There's
He
no
almost
such
listened
thing.
to me. He
almost.
He hesitated.
I did a little bit.
What? That it's you were gonna?
Stop cutting the bacon?
Oh, don't do that. Yeah.
How small do you want it?
That's great, actually.
Oh.
And those can be the chef's treats right over there.
Oh, Andrew Dice Clay can cook.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not taking pictures now.
Yeah. You want a picture?
No, you wanted one?
No.
One-handed.
Okay.
Again. Dude,
Boom.
this is madness. You know what? We need a bell ring.
I got you.
More? What? Oh, you have a clean hand for that, but not for bacon?
A lot
Sorry,
of
buddy.
F's going on here.
As you should be. Well, I'm giving you a high five.
And we are just about done. Now, like I said, we're not, the F word is kind of like a pancake, but it's not as doughy as a pancake, so it's
Okay.
kind of like almost like a meatloaf
A fritter
kind
patty.
of consistency.
Ma, the meatloaf!
Fritter.
Let's go back here.
All right.
Turns out we are in good standing.
Turns out.
We're in good standing with all this liquid gold, baby.
What are you doing with it?
We're gonna be cooking these fritters in the bacon fat from earlier. All right, now this is
let's-
where things can be.
Let's see the magic.
It's not necessarily magic. It's,
Okay.
but you know, you just get in there and you go for it. Don't worry about a perfect looking F-bomb
A
here.
perfect circle.
Oh,
Am I right?
yeah.
What a
Why not?
Mention to see how crispy the potatoes get on the outside.
Well, I don't know how well the crisp action is gonna go. Now let's kind of
Okay. Well, wait a
see
minute.
if we can't.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like a patty.
It's like a patty.
Krabby
Definitely.
Patty.
Yeah. You know, it's these metallic items that I like to use often to smash things down.
Oh, jeez.
Hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that James is actually an avid apiarist?
Apiarist?
Yeah, do you know what that is?
No.
He keeps bees.
Oh,
The beekeeper.
Beekeeper.
wow, interesting.
Yeah, that's my only fact.
All right.
Let's ring it, and then we'll come back.
All right.
I think that's
So
appropriate.
James Hetfield, the apiarist.
Yeah. We've had about 5 minutes.
Count 'em 5.
Count to 5, and let's see how we're doing here.
Okay.
Are you
Cheesy,
doubting?
potato, meaty. Okay.
Okay.
We're more in like patty territory here.
This is okay. Well, what's the difference between that and an F-bomb?
A fritter?
Yes,
Well,
not
that's
much.
actually a great question. I think a fritter, by definition, has to have a bit more.
I don't think you know. I think it's
I don't
okay
think I know
for
either.
you to just
I don't
go.
think I know.
I don't know.
I'll find
yes, I'm a
out.
chef, but I don't know.
I'll find out. What? How do you define salsa?
I don't know.
See?
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 But I never said I was a chef. I'm a food enthusiast.
I
at
didn't
this
say
point.
I know everything.
Just most
I
things.
say I know more than you.
Whatever.
Those
All
are
right.
good looking.
So I think this is my optimal look. The color and texture we got going on here. I wanted
Got
to
it.
flip because we needed to flip them all, but like that guy could have hung out a little bit longer.
I see the cheese,
Yep.
the potato, the
It's all
veggies.
holding together. Also, something to note:
I'm a
I'm
fan.
at a like medium low.
Slow
We
and
want
steady
low
wins
and
the race.
slow. Okay.
All right.
Speaking of not low and slow,
That was what I was speaking.
we gotta
of.
have a little dipper with this, don't you think?
I don't know. It's your.
Well-
it's your.
It's gotta be your bowl.
Wow. We're gonna do a simple one now.
Whoa.
Oh, excuse me.
Gee, sounded like a fart.
That's another good F-bomb.
Fritter.
So I was actually turned on to this by Nate when we were traveling at the airport having a
Oh.
breakfast Cuban.
You were listening?
I was there.
Well.
And Tabasco sauce. You could use any kind of hot sauce you want, but Tabasco,
Hot ketchup and breakfast is mine.
it just has this special bite to it. We're also gonna do a hefty amount of pepper. And dude, that's it. Like,
Oh, it
literally that
smells
simple.
So good.
I mean, we've got those potatoes in there. And those potatoes, they need some ketchup. Oh. Need more heat?
Tastes like breakfast.
Okay. Bringing and bringing. When we're back, those are gonna be done. It's time to eat. Now remember, we do have raw sausage inside of these fritters. And
Really?
Dude, I'm sorry. It's just a weird bit.
I thought you were making
it's
a
trauma.
joke. You mean it.
So make sure that you flip these a few times if you need to, but essentially you really want that nice crispy exterior. Dude, look at these.
They look rad.
These are holding together so well. I cannot wait to get in them.
Patty territory
Plating,
here.
shingle them, stack them, pile them, do whatever
Put
you
'em
gotta
in a
do.
stew.
Exactly.
Fritter.
But make sure you add that delicious spicy ketchup.
Yeah,
This
I'm a fan of this. Looks
looks rad.
really good. I'm
Yeah, you were
definitely
doubting, but no longer doubting.
You said fritter.
Don't lie.
I'm saying patty.
You don't know the difference.
Yes, I do.
Whatever.
Yes, I do. It's frita.
What?
Frico. Frite, as in fried.
Is that a derivative of a French word?
Oui.
Okay.
No, seriously, a fritter has to have some... You're almost in fritter territory. We didn't technically deep fry, but we did fry.
You didn't fry. I didn't. You. No.
No.
No. I feel like I'm being duped just because I failed my French class.
Oui.
Bro, look at that.
Yeah, I'm a
oh
fan
my
of this,
gosh,
bro.
dude. All the bacon and
Frittata, frittata, call it what you wanna. I'm a fan.
Hakuna Matata.
It's a wonderful phrase. Ethan.
Here we go.
Pecans with a very pleasant crunch.
It's good.
Guys, I
I'm
wouldn't do
excited
anything.
about these.
I wouldn't do anything different.
I'm
I was worried they weren't salty enough, but the sausage and the bacon played really well with that. You don't have to have the spicy ketchup, but dang, I highly recommend that you do it. Crispy exterior, cheesy, potatoes.
It's like a meatloaf. It's like a breakfast meatloaf. It's because I made a meatloaf the other day.
Whatever.
Stealing my words, stealing my techniques. That's fine. I don't even need the credit.
Leave it in the comments.
You being my friend.
You're not getting credit for anything. You didn't do anything.
I didn't need any credit. Just saying I'm glad we're friends.
God, I hate you. Leave it in the comments down below. Who hates Nate?
What? That's not...
But speaking of comments, I got him. Speaking of comments, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome, everyone. Glad you made it. Glad you endured.
I guess.
With all the F-bombs and the fart noises, the what's not.
Well, it certainly illustrates the diversity of the word.
This is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers. Because if you guys write it,
we read it.
That's right. So don't worry, we see it.
Don't worry.
We're
not gonna do.
always watching.
You went, but
Toy
I
Story.
went. Yeah.
Ex facto. Nerds. From the top in no particular order, this is Dr. Venkman.
Yes.
I did not look at the name until just now. Venkman says, "Hey CJ, longtime caller, first time viewer."
Yeah.
Yep. Love your videos. I too agree that they are way more entertaining than the rest of the Blackstone creators, especially that eat, repeat, and cook guide. Snore best.
Huh.
Thanks. I'll hang up and listen.
Well,
Mr. Venkman.
thanks for watching, and until next time.
Hairless pets. Weird.
That was good.
He knows what I meant.
This next one comes in from Michael Green922.
Hey, Michael.
Says, at first, I thought the outtakes were annoying, but after a couple episodes, I finally got it. Now I look forward to new episodes for both the recipe and the entertainment. Don't change a thing. Can do,
All right.
amigo.
Michael Green.
Woo!
Give him that
Change
green
one
light.
more heart.
To the light side of the force.
Yes. Or the green side in his case.
Oh, insert Yoda clip.
Anger,
Fritter.
aggression, the dark side are they.
Oh, here's a nice, lovely one from Jay Wonder.
Hey, Jay Wonder.
Jay Wonder
Or
says,
is it Oneater? Thank you.
anyway, we're gonna just keep doing that thing that we do. Says, I love you and your recipe, so I say this from the bottom of my heart. The editor for CJ Show needs to stop cutting to so many reaction or meme clips. I know every YouTuber does this, but the frequency and pacing in here is so annoying and makes it hard to watch. Does every YouTuber do it?
Like 3.
Yeah. And I'm the only one with a cooking show that's doing it.
Yeah.
So there.
Glad we
Jay
settled
Wonder.
that. Definitely O'Neill.
Wonder where you learned your manners. This is from Jeep Rays. Jeep Rays says, "Hey guys, great channel with high energy. I love it. I thought I was the only one on the planet that randomly quoted movies and 80s and 90s pop culture. I just purchased my first Blackstone, the 22-inch Adventure Ready. I haven't used or seasoned it yet. I'm a little intimidated. What's something simple I can do with it? What's something simple I can do first to ease into it? Thanks."
Nice. Cheesesteaks. Chopped cheese. Not even cheesesteak.
Quesadillas. Like,
too.
it's a fail-proof thing.
Smash burgers.
Make bacon.
Bacon. It's a bacon making machine. Is that what we called it?
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Making pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a...
Dude, Jeep Rays.
Jeep Rays.
Make sure you season it first.
Definitely season it first.
And then the world is your oyster. Do oysters.
And then we also, that's a wasp nest. We also have more. Yes, that's a lot.
Oh,
Fritter.
me. Yeah, we're gonna kill that in a minute. Okay, this next one is from Andrew McKinley, and I think this actually was on, yep, it was on Bruce's video that he and I made frog legs.
McClintock?
Yeah. Says, "This video confirmed why I skip CJ's post. Give the cameraman a show."
Wait, who was the cameraman on that show?
I think it was,
Yeah, it was me.
pretty sure it was Ethan. He's got a show. Hello, CJ's first cooking show.
Are you sure it was the only cameraman?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
On that episode?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There was nobody else? Nobody else you could think of?
Oh, we did use a drone.
Who's Jerome?
That was good. And that's how we wrap up an episode of CJ's first cooking show. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you want to get something up on the OG board, you got to let me know.
Guy.
I will send you
Getting
an
the-
address,
Getting a little packed.
and then you can put a sticker up like this one that we got right here from old Patrick Springer.
Yeah, hold it still so I
Wait,
can focus.
this
There we
looks
go.
like mine.
Wait a minute. Does he wear backward hats?
Wait.
Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery.
You hijacking.
Dude, he does the fist bump thing. He should
Oh,
make
yeah.
a sticker.
Like that.
Oh yeah.
Just like that. We'll do both. I think.
Both.
Dude, we're cruising over here. Let me know. I'll send you an address. In the meantime, be sure to go to Blackstone.
You right?
Go to BlackstoneProducts.com for this recipe and all other things Blackstone. Go to GriddleNation.com for a bunch of shirts and swag and stuff. If you want one of these awesome shirts, too bad. You can't have one unless you went down the rabbit hole. Hint. It's a party.
You can say it and then just tell them.
In the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right. In the meantime, we're gonna get out of here because there's a bunch of wasps.
Like 3.
Like 30. Whatever. Bye.